25. Welcome to Working It Out with Mr. Harrison. Today we're looking at extended multiplication. So the learning intention today is for you to be able to use the extended multiplication strategy to solve multiplication questions. There are three main steps. Step number one is that you need to multiply by the ones column. So step number one, multiply the top number by the ones column. Step number two, we need to multiply by the tens column. The third step at the bottom here is to add up your two answers. So we're going to have a look at those three steps. We've got three examples to look at today. Example number one, 134 times 52. Let's have a look at the steps. We begin here in the ones column. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 1 is 2. Next, we need to multiply the top number by the tens column, which is 5. But 5 doesn't really mean just 5, it means 50. So, whenever we add by a tens column, we need to add 1 0 here to hold the place, because whatever answer we get will end with a 0. So let's give it a go. 5 times 4 is 20. We're going to carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15. And then we're going to add 2 equals 17. So we've got the 7 down below. We're going to carry the 1. Then finally we have 5 times 1 plus 1 equals 6. So we've done step 1. We multiply by the ones column. Step number 2, we multiply by the tens column. Our last step is to add our answers together. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 6 and 0 is 6. 2 and 7 is 9. 6 and 0 is 6. So there we have extended multiplication. Let's have a look now at example 2. If you'd like to have a go at it on your own first, and then you can check with me whether it was correct or not. So question 2, 501 times 29. Remember our three steps. Multiply by the ones column, multiply by the tens column, and then add up your two answers. Let's have a look. So have a go on your own. 501 times 29. All right, welcome back. Let's have a look. We'll start with 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 0 equals 0. Anything times 0 is 0. We have 9 times 5 equals 45. Next, we have 20 times 501. So we must put a 0 in the ones column. Then we can go through our multiplying. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0. And 2 times 5 is 10. The final step is to add our two answers together. So we have 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus nothing is 1. So we have our answer, 501 times 29 equals 14,529. All right, the final example, 612 times 34. Remember our three steps. Have a go on your own, and then come and check in with my working out to see how you went. and play. Here we go. Let's have a go. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 1 equals 4. And 4 times 6 equals 24. Step 2, we multiply by the tens column. Because we're multiplying by a 10, we must put a 0 in the ones column. Then we keep going. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 1 equals 3. And 3 times 6 equals 18. Notice how I've lined up the place value columns carefully. Step number 3, final step, is to add our two products together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. So 0, carry the 1. 3, 4 and 1 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we have 612 times 34 equals 20,808. Remember, our learning intention today was for you to be able to solve multiplication using the extended multiplication strategy.